Bitcoin or Ethereum? One is digital gold, the other powers an entire blockchain economy. But heading into 2026, which crypto actually looks like the better investment? Let's find out. Bitcoin remains the world's largest cryptocurrency and is often viewed as a store of value. With its fixed supply of 20.04 million coins, Bitcoin benefits from scarcity, making it attractive to long-term investors and institutions. Many analysts still see BTC as the safest way to gain exposure to the crypto market. If global adoption continues growing, Bitcoin could remain the dominant force for years to come. Ethereum is much more than a cryptocurrency. It powers decentralized finance, NFTs, gaming projects, and thousands of smart contracts. Since moving to proof of stake, Ethereum has become more energy efficient and continues to evolve through network upgrades. Its biggest strength is utility. As Web3 expands, Ethereum remains at the center of blockchain innovation. So, what's your pick for 2026, Bitcoin or Ethereum? Drop your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Crypto Orbitz for more crypto comparisons, market insights, and the next big opportunities in blockchain. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.